Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make video black and white in CapCut PC. If you're aiming for a dramatic, timeless look, or just want a clean grayscale style, this quick method will get you there instantly while keeping full control over the result. This works really well for cinematic edits, emotional scenes, old film-style videos, documentary clips, product shots, and even social media reels where you want the visuals to feel more serious and focused. Start with your project open and your footage on the timeline. Look down at the timeline lanes and click the video clip you want to modify so it's clearly selected. You'll know it's active when it's highlighted, and this ensures the controls you change apply to that specific clip, not the whole project. If you're working with multiple clips, take a moment to select the right one before moving on. This small step is important because CapCut applies adjustments based on the selected clip, so choosing the wrong clip can make you think the effect is not working. Now, shift your eyes to the top right area of the interface, where the Properties window lives. Click on the Adjustment tab, and make sure you're on the Basic Settings row just beneath it. Adjustment is where you fine-tune the image without permanently altering your original file. So everything you do here is non-destructive and easy to refine. That means you can test different looks, change the strength, or reset the settings later without damaging your original footage. Scroll down through the adjustment tools until you reach the color section. Here you'll find the saturation slider, which controls how intense the colors appear. To strip the color out completely, click and drag the saturation handle all the way to the left until it reaches the very bottom. The moment you do, all color values are removed, and your clip becomes a crisp, true black and white image. At this point, your video should no longer have any visible color, and the focus will shift more toward light, shadow, texture, facial expressions, and movement. This is the simplest and most reliable path to a clean grayscale look, because it affects every pixel evenly, without introducing strange tints or filter artifacts. Compared to using random filters, lowering the saturation gives you a cleaner, manual result and more control over the final style. It also helps keep the footage natural, especially when you want a professional black and white effect instead of an overly edited preset look. To make that black and white look really punchy and professional, move just above to the contrast slider and nudge it slightly to the right. A small increase deepens your shadows and brightens your highlights, adding clarity and shape to faces, objects, and backgrounds. Be gentle here. Subtlety keeps detail intact, while ensuring your whites pop and your darks stay rich. A good tip is to increase contrast slowly and watch the preview carefully, because too much contrast can crush the shadows or make bright areas lose detail. You'll notice that titles and on-screen text remain sharp and legible, thanks to the added separation between light and dark areas. This is especially useful for tutorial videos, captions, product labels, subtitles, or any video where text needs to stay clear for viewers. Black and white can look very clean, but good contrast is what makes it easy to watch. That's all it takes. Perfect manual grayscale balancing with one single slider override, plus a light contrast boost for polish. If you're editing more clips in the same project, repeat the exact selection and adjustment process on each one for a consistent look. Review your playback to confirm the tones feel balanced across scenes, and make minor tweaks if needed. You're all set!